Fellow travelers, traveling is an experience like no other. Seeing amazing places, trying new foods and culture, making memories with family and friends. All of this makes a huge part of our lives. But have you ever paused and thought about when to book your travel? Booking at the right time can be the key to really make the most out of your traveling experience. Scheduling in advance not only helps you manage your expenses better, but also allows you to access great deals on tickets or hotels that can help enhance your overall trip. In today's video, let's explore why it is so important to book early for travel and the valuable tips associated with doing so. If you're new to this channel, my name is Brian, and today I'm going to tell you the importance of booking your travel early. So hit that like and subscribe button real quick, and let's get on with the video. Booking your travel early offers so many advantages that can save you time, money, and stress. Firstly, by booking in advance, you are able to get the best deals on flight and accommodation. Airlines generally offer discounted seats for those who book weeks or months in advance. This is particularly advantageous if your destination is popular, since fares tend to rise closer to the departure date. Additionally, you stand a greater chance of securing the seat of your choice if you book early as opposed to waiting until the last minute. Hotels and vacation rentals also provide discounts for early birds, giving you more bang for your buck. Secondly, with all aspects of your trip sorted before leaving home, there's less stress when you arrive at your destination. You don't need to waste precious holiday time researching flights and checking availability on arrival. Everything should already be organized ahead of time. This means that upon landing in a new country, you can simply start enjoying your holiday without any additional worries or complications. Thirdly, booking early allows plenty of time to research and make informed decisions about what activities you want to do while away from home. It gives you ample opportunity to read reviews from fellow travelers and look into different experiences, so that when it comes time for the actual trip, all your arrangements have already been taken care of, allowing for more spontaneous attitude when experiencing things during the journey. Finally, booking ahead provides access to better customer service as well as increased support in case something goes wrong with a reservation or a flight gets cancelled due to unexpected circumstance such as bad weather or technical issues. Companies are more likely to proactively assist customers who book their tickets far in advance, meaning any potential problems can be sorted out quickly with minimal fuss. So overall, booking travels early offers an array of benefits, including discounted prices on flights and hotels, less stress while traveling, ample opportunity to research activities prior, as well as better customer service should something go wrong down the line. Taking into account all these advantages, it is easy to see why you should book your travel earlier rather than later. Make sure you remember these 4 tips before booking your next holiday. And if you made it until the end, make sure you hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to be notified with each new interesting videos just like this one. Good luck on your travel, and thank you for watching.